In this video, I'll be introducing you to the basic concepts of pipeline as a code. About me, I'm Anju Dominic from Logics. So what is pipeline as a code? Pipeline as a code is designing and defining software development workflow through code. Now you may ask me, what is pipeline? Pipeline are the steps or stages through which your code flows through before it ends up into production. I'll tell you with an example. Suppose if you want to develop an application, what are the steps we follow? First, you start coding for the application. After coding is complete, you build the application. Then you test the application. You may run unit testing, integration testing, etc. After testing is completed, you will deploy it into production. This build, test, deploy stages are nothing but pipeline for the application development. Conventionally, these pipelines could be configured using a CI/CD tool. But such configurations are very difficult to maintain and are not reproducible. In order to avoid the issue of reproducibility, we use the build, test and deploy pipelines and abstract it in the form of a code and placed alongside your source code. Hence, the pipeline could be versioned and tracked in a more systematic manner. In this session, I'll be discussing on pipeline as a code using Jenkins. Jenkins is a CI/CD tool that helps to automate the build, test and deploy processes. This reduces the time to production compared to other non-automated pipelines. In Jenkins, we can write the pipelines in two ways: declarative pipelines and scripted pipelines. The main difference between these two pipelines are in its syntax and flexibility. Declarative pipelines are more defined and could be used for simpler pipelines, while scripted pipelines are more flexible and could be used for complex pipelines. Most of the cases, we can go forward with declarative pipeline. Hence, in this session, I will be discussing on declarative pipelines using Jenkins. The participants could gain an in-depth knowledge on how to use pipeline as a code using Jenkins. This is a keyboard-driven workshop where we focus on the practical know-how rather than the theoretical knowledge. Thank you.